in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save your sheets as PDF here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So if you want to save your files as a PDF document onto your phone, here's how you're going to do it. So first, make sure to open the file or the spreadsheet that you want to save as a PDF. Then just go to the ellipsis at the top right corner right here. There we have it. And tap on Share and Export. So that's going to be in between your Make a Copy option and your add-ons. So tap on Share and Export. Here we have it. So here we have the different options again, and we're going to select Save As. So once you tap on that, we can now choose the format that we want to save this file as. And we are going to save this as a PDF document. So just tap on that right here and tap on OK. And here we have it. So automatically, your file has been saved as a PDF document on your Google Drive. If you want to save it into your phone drive, what you're going to do is to tap on the download icon right here. Once you tap on that, it will open your files folder and show you where it is saved. And here we have it. So this is my downloads part of my files. If I tap on this one, it will just open again on my Chrome app, and here we have it. So file is officially downloaded. Here we have it. If we tap on open, it will open the same thing. So don't forget, if you want to save it to your phone drive, don't forget to tap on that download icon right here so that you can save it onto your phone drive as well. And that's how quick and easy it is. You can save your sheets or your files as a PDF document with the use of your Google Sheets mobile app. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.